When the history of the wheel is rolling forward, the traditional European craftsmanship is still unfinished, but at the end of the era. From the Middle Ages to the continuation of modern civilization, people began to discover the details of life, persevering in bodybuilding life, self-exploring texture life, taking nature gifts and human plant positive energy, and inherit and sublimate based on modern science. The power of natural ingredients and the use of science and technology in mixing and mixing. Natural, healthy, beautiful, and perfect. Let every life jump, such as the buds of the flower. Human wisdom is once again combined with nature. Everything is more outstanding, no matter where you are. Strong European feelings everywhere, simple European design details. Let you be at home forever. NatureBud, true beauty from nature. NatureBud, brand passion and dedication.